Feel like you're trading against the market more often than with it? What if you could lock in the trend early and ride it with crystal clear entry and exit signals? Today I'm breaking down a trend following system that keeps you on the right side of the market. This strategy blends two powerful tools: trend direction filter, to know when price is trending up or down; Kolier SuperTrend indicator, a trend-based signal that gives precise entry and exit cues. Here's how it works. Buy setup. First, price must be above the trend filter line. This tells you bulls are in control. Wait for the Kolier SuperTrend to flip bullish. In most setups, this shows as a specific arrow or color change. Once the SuperTrend gives a bullish signal, enter a buy. Place your stop loss just below the recent swing low or the SuperTrend line. You can take profit at the next resistance zone or ride the trend until the SuperTrend flips back bearish. Sell setup. Price must be below the trend filter line, confirming a downtrend. Wait for the Kolier SuperTrend to flip bearish. Once the bearish signal appears, enter a sell. Stop loss goes above the recent swing high or the SuperTrend line. Target the next support level, or hold the trade until the SuperTrend signal reverses. Always trade with the trend. This system works best when the market is trending, not ranging. Use higher time frames like 1H or 4H for cleaner signals, and always risk only 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If you want to follow the trend with clear entry and exit rules, this strategy gives you exactly that. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicators and start testing it on your charts today.